Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Oh, sorry.
Just ET.
Where's the other guy? Oh, yeah.
Trent, wait, Alex.
Do the middle one.
Okay. Because I don't know where.
And then.
Dun, 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 dun.
One in the corner here. Like, crouch.
Shaking his big
Wait, what?
ball.
I guess you do it. With your hand pressed up against the wall. Do it with your hand. Do it looking at the wall.
Wait, do it.
Oh crap! My mouse pad's like making hella marks now. I didn't.
It's like 40 seconds into the round. We're just doing this.
The guy upstairs is tagged in kitchen. That guy's tagged as well.
Might be.
over there.
Yeah.
What do you say? Do not like spawn peeker. If you want to know why, you will know why. You're right, bud. Dropped it. Wait, Mike.
Sorry. I saw his kill, then he looked at me, then I headshot him.
Oh. I'm sorry. I actually didn't do that. What? Dude, why? I actually didn't even do that.
Have I team killed yet?
No. You would blitz every game instead.
Oh shit.
Easy. Easy. Another one, easy.
Oh shit.
Oh, heal.
Yeah.
Ash might push you, watch out.
She's going tunnel.
The first two shots are so.
Oh fuck. Oh, it was Frost.
What? Why?
I was so confused, like where did they come from?
Why?
I don't know.
And then I like almost threw up, but it's fine.
What the fuck? Why?
Because I was forcing myself to burp.
Oh, yeah, fair enough. Wait, we got home, and then.
That's why I like going to your house.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, and Kaizen.
But, Alex, that was unintentional. I was getting shot from behind. If only person I see is Doc.
Oh,
And he was
I
trying to kill me.
Oh my god.
Stop burping, you.
Don't.
Why
I'm
not?
gonna team kill block, because.
Don't.
I don't know.
He ran over to kill you.
Just got his head fucking blown off. You said you
Well, you could. I got 2 team kills the other, like first game we played.
Here's a Smith. Don't
Yeah.
worry, don't
It's half an hour. I can't.
worry. Just like.
No, it's.
No, he meant like change from fire to smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4.
B, Trent, B.
It's 4.
Ah, is it?
Let's B to
No,
change.
you. It's just your.
Yeah, it's B,
It's
can't.
your It's your fucking.
What the fuck?
Someone
My game
kill you.
froze. Fuck.
This game.
Alright, good
froze,
excuse,
bro.
Trent.
Oh wait, no, fucking.
Joking.
Don't.
Alex, don't.
No, I'm not. I'm
Throw,
not.
what
What am I saying?
Throw your flashbang in
You
and we'll down
press
them.
your gadget button twice and it changes it.
Oh, no, B changes it too.
Fuck, why does B change it?
It's fine.
No, sorry, man.
he's gonna die.
Oh,
He's gonna die, Alex!
bro, if everyone's on like 1 HP, you can get a million team kills. Ow, fuck off.
This is me, yes, man.
Oh shit, sorry, I accidentally shot you while shooting down the wall.
Question mark, question mark.
Res me.
Res.
Reggie.
Jesus Christ.
I was gonna down you, Reggie.
Yeah, with a shotgun to the face, yeah.
But usually when I hit someone with a shotgun, they always go down.
Yeah, usually.
Like, I never ever like one-shot someone with a shotgun, ever.
Yeah.
Go with the shotgun in that room, go with the shotgun in that room.
That was so stupid. Go, Chris.
You suck
Suck
ass
as
and
an
ass.
Why do I sound as an
Oh.
What? Whoa! Go, Trent!
No!
No!
Bro, can you hear me?
You suck as an asshole.
Oh, fuck you, such as a bitch. Oh, really? I'm serious. Oh my god, hey, can you see we are only 4
Shut up, Asian, no one
You
cares!
got the team kill.
What did you
Team
say?
kill.
We
Oh,
can't
fuck
understand you,
bro.
have
Oh
your
my
shit
God.
accent, shut up.
Let him speak. What? What's wrong?
1、2、3、4。
1、2、3、4青蛙。
That means frog
Really?
in Chinese.
I didn't know that though.
Marie Chan.
Of course.
Oh yeah, I'm
Speak
joking.
Chinese, man. Hey, let me teach you.
Wait, why the hell am I
Let me
American?
teach you.
Man,
给你们记住，青蛙，青蛙，青蛙，青蛙，青蛙。
Why are you confused?
The house
hey, see, you can't even
has
understand
all
Chinese.
the walls and the
1、2、3、4。
it has
是你妈
all
了
the
个大
walls
鸡
and
巴
the roof.
操
But somehow
See, you can't even
sunlight
understand.
getting in and
You can't
out.
even understand
GG,
Chinese.
GG, GG, GG.
It's not realism.
你看
Oh.
你看这个是 GG。
Deal with
Yeah,
it.
but
No, it's you, that's you.
It-
It's not my.
你看
it's
你
not
看这个是 GG。
Can you
what
speak?
is coming
Oh
up?
my god, let me teach you. 你就像
screaming
一
at
个
an
鸡鸡。
No, I'm
I know.
Who
I
hasn't-
just told him he looks
Alex,
like a
have you got
penis.
disco yet?
What?
I just told him. Chris just said I told him he looks like a penis.
And then he said that's you. I'm like, okay.
Wait, do you speak Chinese?
No, my old friend primary school kept saying, I'm like, what is that? It's like, you look like a penis. I'm like,
Wait, say it again.
你看是 GG。
I can't even understand. I thought you were saying like a
Wait,
GG man, a GG man.
Don't say it in game because it like lags. Say it now.
你看是 GG。
It sounds like gibberish. Like,
My what? I don't know.
a
where it is.
GG.
Oh.
A GG man.
Oh, right.
Let's go.
Leave. Disgusting. I'm gonna kill him.
It does. It's not very good
Lucas,
though.
you already got a kill.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you just when you try to down Alex, you shot him with a shotgun.
Oh
and he
crap! I
died.
had to.
Alex, have you got
Wait, what's penis in Chinese? Is it
GG?
pee?
GG?
No, it's GG.
GG! GG!
My GG.
Like my GG. GG! Beat that. Gotta reach.
Wait.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were drone. Oh, fuck, my bad.
Wait, what?
I thought you were a drone, sorry.
Why'd you kill him?
Why did you kill us?
I didn't mean
the
it.
fuck?
I don't know why to trip. I don't know why to trip. I didn't mean it.
Why?
Kicked by a bot, bro.
Dude, why are you kicking me?
You just killed.
I didn't. No, I didn't mean to. Though.
I'm so tempted to press F5, but I... Alex, can I shoot your mirror?
Tell her what to do. No.
You don't need my permission. I'll do
Okay.
it for you.
Oh my god. Why?
Because she's retarded.
They're gonna tinkle you guys. Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh.
GG. Whatever. I'm gonna. Hey, let's say Haru, you're so shit. 3, 2, 1, go.
Actually
Eat.
kill yourself, cunt.
Actually kill yourself, cat.
Actually, kill yourself, cunt.
Maybe if I got some calls all game.
Actually, kill yourself,
Why don't you get
cunt.
calls then? Why don't you get calls then? Exactly, cunt.
Exactly. Actually,
just
kill
cams,
yourself,
just
cunt.
cams, lol.
Actually, kill yourself, cunt. Leave.
Actually, kill yourself, cunt.
Can't. I will literally break your fucking.
Can't actually break your
and make
fucking
you
back.
get them out, and I will
I'll
actually break your fucking kneecap.
That's a weird thing to flex. I'm break a kneecap.